Yo, what is up and what is going on, everybody? It's Emre from emremercs, and in today's POV drive review we're gonna be reviewing this Mini Cooper 1.5 with 136 horsepower from 2017. And if I'm correct, this engine is being shared with BMW's 1 Series with the 118i. And if we look around the car, in my opinion, it's a very beautiful car, especially those taillights. I gotta mention, these taillights, the Union Jack taillights with the British flag on them, are aftermarket. So this 2017 model originally doesn't have these taillights, but yeah, I think they look very nice on this car. If we open up the hood, we can see the 3-cylinder 1.5 from BMW. Yeah, it is just a very good engine in my opinion. 136 horsepower, as I said, with 220 Nm of torque. So it is pretty fast for its size. And there's even a 2.0 version of this Mini Cooper. Imagine how fast that would be. But yeah, I think this engine is very well fit in this car. Let's get a taste of it. If we get inside, and if you look at the back seats, it's gonna be very tight, especially in my sit position. Even a child would have a very hard time sitting here at the back. They even put cup holders there, another cup holder here, and another one here, even though it is for 2 passengers at the back. What I do like is that there are speakers here. So that is nice from Mini, but I would not recommend you sitting at the back because it is not very comfortable. So let's go to the front, which is already way better than the back seats. Everything looks pretty cool. And yeah, my first impression, yeah, the steering wheel feels very nice, beautiful leather. We got our cruise control right here. We got some other buttons for the audio, calling, voice assistant. We got our climate settings over here, pretty basic in my opinion. No need to explain that. Got a beautiful USB port here, aux cable, but this one actually supports Bluetooth. But yeah, enough yapping, let's go for a drive. Put it in drive, handbrake down, and let's go. So as I said before, this is the Mini Cooper 1.5 from 2017 and has 136 horsepower and 220 Nm of torque, which is pretty fast for a car at this size. And yeah, there's also a 2.0 4-cylinder, which is even crazier. And I really like BMW kind of working together with Mini and sharing those engines, because the 118i is, in my opinion, a very successful car, and the engine is also pretty reliable, as far as I read some forums on the internet. And for its size, it's pretty fast. I mean, if you press the gas, sound is also nice. I think for the daily groceries, this thing is a pretty good machine. I mean, it feels pretty fast, has enough power to, you know, move along with the other vehicles on the road. I think that's all you need for a comfortable daily car, I guess. In my life, I've driven a lot of compact cars, like Volkswagen Up, Peugeot 108, Kia Picanto, cars like that, just very small cars. But they are usually equipped with a 60 horsepower 1.0 engine. And if you compare this car to those cars, it is a whole new world. The comfort, the speed, infotainment system, everything is just very quality-like, very BMW-like, and you cannot really compare this car to those cars. One thing that really sucks are the back seats. So even in a Volkswagen Up, the back seats are way more comfortable compared to this one. It's just too tight at the back, and I think as a grown adult, you don't want to sit in the back there. It's just not gonna work. It's so fun to drive. Really feels like I'm in the middle of a karting in a go-kart. We should give the sport mode a shot. And the S on the gearbox as well. Okay, that's... Okay, interesting. So the thing I noticed with the sport mode is that it actually goes directly. Well, when you're not in sports mode, it feels like the engine still has to think a little bit, you know. He has to think, what's 5 plus 5? It's 10. And then, that's the thing I noticed. So they didn't just put this thing for fun there. It actually makes a difference in the driving experience. Okay, let's go from 0 to whatever speed we can get to. Okay, here we go. Oh. But that felt really fast. That's so much fun. We go back up again. Full throttle. Oh my god, I can actually understand people buying this. It really feels like a go-kart. Holy crap. It's so much fun driving this.